Welcome to the Mealing Racing YouTube channel. Alright guys, so tonight we're going to fix up this throttle body elbow. I'm going to hack off this whole piece and pretty much just turn it into a little flange that I can put on the throttle body, and if that doesn't work I'm going to probably just try and get a non-turbo throttle body, or maybe bite the bullet and buy a 74mm S90 or something along those lines. Anyways, let's get at it here and see what we can do. Alright, well that worked. I'm going to grind her a little flatter because I'm going to try and put this in my lathe to flatten it out and surface it. See if we can get a little bit of this off first though. Alright, that should be good enough to throw in the lathe and get her flattened out, and then I gotta get some of that crap out of the inside there, smooth that out, make the flow a little smoother. Don't forget the safety glasses. It's my little King Canada lathe. Kinda small for most things, but bushings and little stuff like this that actually works really well. Definitely used it quite a bit. Alright, final pass on this side. I'm just taking a tiny cut. Or nothing. Alright. Looks not too bad. That should make it a little bit easier to weld the pipe to it anyways. We'll flip her around and get the other side flat. This is what I think of stock DSM cams. They're very good at holding towels. Alright, so this is the side that seals on the face of the throttle body, so gotta make sure this one's very flat. Alright, so take about 20 thou to clean this up. I'm going to do one more cleanup pass on it and it should be good. Oh yeah. Should be close enough. I don't want to take too much off. We're so close there. Aluminum's already soft, and that's why it was warped in the first place, so that'll seal a lot better than it was, I think. That is a lot nicer. In the video this looks like it's a little worse than it is. It's actually really close, and I don't want to take it down anymore because it get too thin. It's really pretty good. Once you get the pipe in there, it's going to be really close because this is just a little bigger. My wife's going to kill me. I sprayed oil all over this shirt. Probably going to get in trouble. It's getting late. I don't want to make noise, so I'm going to cut this off by hand, which might suck. Well, especially if I don't have the vise tight enough. Try not to squish it. It's going to be tough to do because the camera keeps falling over. Okay, you get the idea. I'm going to finish this. Oh, custom bench grinder. Probably enough noise. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get an idea how much room I need to clamp this on there. Right about there. Clear the bolts. That should. Yeah, I think that'll work right there. Maybe. What I need is a 90 straight off of here into my MAF, so I'm gonna go like a 2.5 to 3 inch reducer into my MAF, and then MAF straight into the upper intercooler pipe. Ow. Mark this, and then I'll cut that off, and then I'm going to need a TIG welder to finish that, which I don't have right now. Not an aluminum TIG anyway. Oh, here we go with this again. There we go. Here to fit in there. There we go. That should work. There. Now I just need someone to TIG weld this for me, and we'll be good. Probably get Justin at High Tech Precision to do it. It should work pretty good, I think. Doesn't even look like it's really going to take much. It's kind of dark, but doesn't really look like it's going to take much to make that line up perfectly. Save me a few bucks, probably get something other than a throttle body for the car. I don't think there's too much to be gained at the 450 wheel horse range. Sorry, the lighting's not real great in this garage. Anyways, that clears everything. Should be able to just turn the corner, and then I'll have to adjust where this pipe comes out. I'll probably have to move it down and over a little bit, but I won't have to recirc the bob anymore, so I'll probably just take this off, and then I can probably got enough movement out of the coupler at the bottom here maybe to get it down just far enough so it'll turn the corner and go into there. Should work good. Calls for a beer. Thanks for watching, everybody. I've got the 9-inch FP filter coming from Force Performance so that I can go straight to my 4-inch intake and get rid of the 2G MAF. And I also ordered the MAF cable from ECM Link today, so hopefully that shows up soon. And then we can get that all installed and try it out, see if everything works. I think it should work all right, and then on to the next project on this thing to get it ready for the hill climb in May. Anyways, smash the subscribe button, and see you next time.